High fiber foods are foods that are high in fiber, which is found in plant-based foods, including fruits and vegetables, legumes, beans and lentils, nuts and seeds, and whole grains. So the general recommendation for fiber is about 25 grams for women and 38 grams for men. A lot of people actually do not get enough fiber in their diet. Fiber has so many benefits to our health, including digestive health. So fiber can help with our digestion by promoting regular bowel movement and adding bulk to our stool. It can help us regulate blood sugar, cholesterol level, as well as it's been proven to help with heart health, digestive health, and prevent some type of cancer, such as colon rectal cancer. Fiber is just very important for overall health as it contributes to a healthy gut microbiome, which can help us protect against diseases and improve our immune system as well.